Well, I've got a bit of an unusual problem on this set. I bought this set quite a few years ago, and I bought it from Germany, and the shop in Germany had this on display in the window, and the ultraviolet light was coming through the window, and it's turned the information panel like a beige colour, and also the set as well on one side. It's sort of you can't really tell on camera probably, but that side's a good side. That side is like a yellow. It's really hard to pick it up on the camera. There's like a yellow tinge to it. So I'm going to treat this. In fact, it's best to turn the set around. They're probably all about the same, but that's a good side. And that's the bad side, which is really difficult to pick up on the camera. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to strip all these down. I'm upgrading this anyway because this had a cordless motor, and upgrading the chip to an even better chip on this on the drive car. That's why I'm taking it apart. So I'm going to completely take out the glazing, all the roof mounts, any detail, and I'm going to treat it with a solution. peroxide, and this is just for hair, and it's a clear solution. It comes out in a small little nozzle out, and just squeeze it in into your container, and that's it. And what we do then, place it in the bag, in a clear bag, for about 48 hours, and it's got to be, if possible, in ultraviolet sunlight, otherwise it won't work. The yellowing, it won't take the yellowing effect if it's kept in too much dark. That's another thing to bear in mind. This won't damage the paintwork or the transfers either. Right, so here we are. This is the process is now finished. They've been wrapped up for about 4 days, about 4 days or so, because we've not had a lot of sunshine. I just wanted to leave them as long as possible. So in this bucket I've got the drive car, and it's looking really nice because the discolouring's gone off the one side of it, which is great. All the transfers are fine. Paintwork, very good. Well, there we go. That's all looking nice now. Perfect. I actually had made a mistake when I was handling it. I had some permanent marker on my hand from labelling some spray cans up, and that transferred onto the body, which was a bit annoyed with myself. But to get that off, you just use alcohol hand sanitizer, and that'll take any of the ink off without damaging the paint, which I've done. So I've just got to clean these up now, and then that'll be done. Yeah, so it's all done. Just had to rebuild these now, rebuild these coaches, the drive car, put the new chip in. That'll be all done.